my Prado lovers, watu wa kupenda Toyota Prado. Niko na local assembly Toyota Prado ya 2022, a very nice looking car. Unaangalia iko na powerful headlights, amazing design, 2022 model. This car tunakupatia na only 8.8 million shillings, and remember these are 2022 Toyota Landcruiser Prado diesel engine. Sawa, this car has a sunroof. Iko na an extra tire at the back. Look at this, unaangalia the extra tire at the back. Very nice suspensions, very large. If you want to go off-roading, this is the perfect car for you. If you want to see a full review of this car, kindly go to my YouTube channel, Wadeki Auto Trading. You see a full review of this Toyota Landcruiser Prado. Hapa TikTok, I can't show you everything. Let me show you here. This is the back side. It looks amazing. It's a local assembly Toyota Landcruiser Prado. Of course, zimetumika kidogo. You have this nice looking front side here. Angalia venye kuko fiti. And then you have the sunroof. There is a sunroof here, the top section. Sawa. Yeah, so if you've been looking for a Prado 2022 locally assembled Prado, uko na mileage kidogo sana. Let me close the door. 54,000 kilometers only mileage. Kako fiti. So if you want this vehicle, 8.8 million shillings, and it is negotiable, text me on WhatsApp using my number, nimepin hapo, or you can go to YouTube and watch the video, and kindly subscribe to that YouTube channel, Wadeki Auto Trading. See you in the next one, guys. And remember, easy headlights are Prado wasn't a blind watu kwa barabara. That's the good thing about Prado. See you in the next one, guys. Thank you and see you.